Follow the path to the home of the quest guide. Welcome, adventurer. I'm here to tell you about quests. Let's start by opening the quest list. Quests can vary greatly, from collecting beads to hunting down dragons. You have to experience the thrill of questing yourself to fully understand. You may find some adventurers in the cave under my house. The weapon rack holds swords, shields, and bows. There is a set of armor on display. I go upstairs. The bed sleeps 2 people. The dresser has 2 drawers. I go back downstairs. There are 2 swords in the display case. Unicorns have horns. There are 2 candles on the fireplace. The chairs have matching upholstery. I climb down the ladder. Greetings, my name is Desik and I'm a miner by trade. On either side of me are rocks containing tin and copper ore. Mine 2 tin ore and 2 copper ore. We're going to smelt and smith a melee weapon for you. I mine some tin ore. You get some tin ore from the rock. The tin rock is glowing. I also mine some copper ore. You get some copper ore from the rock. You show the mining instructor the tin ore and the copper ore you mined. Great work! The better the pickaxe you use, the faster you'll mine. Also, the better the pickaxe, the higher the mining level you'll require to wield it. So why do I want to mine ore? You can use your smithing skill to smelt ore into metal bars at the furnace. Then, at the anvil, you smith the bars into melee weapons and armor worn by warriors. You can smelt tin and copper together to make bronze equipment. Simply deposit the ores into a furnace, forge, or anvil, then use the furnace to smelt them into a bar of metal. I smelt the copper and tin into bronze. So, how do I make a weapon out of a bronze bar? When you use an anvil, you'll choose an item you want to smith, as long as you have a high enough smithing level and the correct number of bars. The higher your smithing level, the better the quality of the metal you can work. You start off on bronze and work your way up as your smithing skill increases. Start by smithing a bronze dagger at the anvil. I smith a bronze dagger. I heat the bronze dagger. You finish smithing the bronze dagger. You smith the bronze bars into a bronze dagger. Excellent! Now that you have a melee weapon, you're ready to learn about combat. The anvil and the furnace are made of metal. The furnace and the forge are hot. Hi, my name's GalaxyCon. To me, you're just another newcomer who thinks they're ready to fight. I am Vannaka, the greatest swordsman alive. You'll do barely any damage with your bare hands. Let's start by wielding that butter knife you're carrying. I equip the bronze dagger. Now you're ready for combat. Attack a rat. You'll continue to fight each other until it's dead, or you do something else. I attack the rat.
Well done, you defeated your first monster. There's a lot more to combat, including the ranged and magic skills. You'll learn about them when you get to the mainland. For now, you're finished in this cave. Return to the surface and continue your journey. There is a skeleton on the ground. The skull is on a pole. I climbed the ladder.